What's up, online shoppers? It is never too soon to start thinking about barbecue season, and this is an awesome heavy-duty set of barbecue tools by a company that is synonymous with barbecue, Alpha Grillers. Let's take a look at this awesome set. It's a 4-piece heavy-duty set, stainless steel with really nice grippy silicone handles. Let's open the box and see what it looks like. So this would make a fantastic Father's Day gift, a great birthday gift. It might even make a really great housewarming gift because there are fantastic tools in here. You got a really nice pair of long-handled tongs. Really like it. And I also like that they have this really nice handle right here. And when you pull the handle out like this, look it locks. That's awesome. There's one. Here is your long-handled silicone barbecue brush. It's got the silicone bristles here, so it's not gonna melt in the cold. It's got a really nice, comfortable silicone handle. And again, it's got this really nice hook on the end so you can hook it to your barbecue. Now, 2 more pieces in here. Here is the long-handled barbecue fork. Again, it's got this awesome, super comfortable silicone grip on the bottom. I love how nice my thumb actually fits on it. And this is a really nice length so that you actually aren't going to get super close to the heat of your barbecue. And the last piece here, oh, this is a nice one. This one here is your long-handled spatula. Now, it's got some really cool features to it. First of all, it's got this serrated sharp edge. You could actually use it as a knife to cut. It's got a really nice paddle here. There's a built-in bottle opener, so you're never without a bottle opener. And again, it's got that really nice, comfortable curve to the handle and really nice silicone insert here so that your thumb and your fingers have something to grip. You're not just trying to like squeeze a skinny handle. And finally, it's got this great hook here for hanging it off your barbecue. So if we take a look at all the pieces that are in this barbecue set, I have to say I'm impressed. They have a really nice length to them, which means you can actually get on a barbecue without exposing your hands to a ton of heat. And I love that they all have these hooks on the bottom so that, or the top if you will, so you can hang them from your barbecue for easy access. Alpha Grillers has knocked it out of the park again as far as I'm concerned. I love these. I'm really impressed with them. I'm definitely confident that my husband is gonna love getting these for Father's Day because he is the king of the barbecue. These are definitely gonna be a family favorite at my house.